was going to do a unboxing for the Bordeaux 7s that I got the 2015 release. I got them off Card. I think that's how you say it. Either way, I'm gonna put the app right there where I got it from. I got them for $42, to be honest. For $42 is a steal for a shoe that is 400. I think it's like 430 something. Brand new on GOAT. And I've been wanting these for a long time, like a long time. So being able to get them was it was everything. So I had to jump. I did open the box already because I had to rate the seller. So I opened the box. Came in this box, a wipes box, but doesn't have the original box. Kind of sucks. But $42 for a good looking shoe. I could always get a replacement box, I'm not sure. But yeah, show you what's inside the box. Alright, so these are the shoes that were in the box. This is the 2015 release. To be honest, nah, this wasn't the last release. I can't remember when the last release for these were, but this is the 2015 pair. Clearly, they were barely worn. That's crazy. That's crazy. To be honest, they don't look bad. They got slight creasing. The toe box, something I can fix. No biggie. Small thing to a giant. Could probably use a little bit of touch-up paint. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Whoever owned these really took care of them, and that's a good thing. They are very real, for one. Like I already checked that part out too. But for $42, crazy thing is, I got these from the same app. This right here, the app. $40. Barely worn. I think the girl wrote in there that she went to a concert one time. But for $40, barely worn. These on GOAT are like $500 brand new, I think so. But these and these two pair that I've always wanted, got them for the low, authentic. But crazy, insane. But yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. And I'm out.